If your plants are being eaten alive right now, whiteflies, aphids, mealybugs, caterpillars, I want you to stop what you're doing and watch this. Because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you a two-step natural spray made from things you already have in your kitchen, and it will wipe out every single pest on your plants. Fast, organically, and it costs almost nothing. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making a powerful organic insecticide. And I mean powerful. Aphids die the moment this hits them. Mealybugs, caterpillars, leafcutter ants, gone. And because it's completely natural, it's safe around your kids and your pets. No exceptions. Let's get into it. Start with 1 liter of water. Tap water is perfectly fine. Now add 1 dessert spoon of garlic powder. You'll find this at any supermarket. Then add 1 dessert spoon of cinnamon. Give it a really good mix. You'll already see the water changing color. That's exactly what you want. Now take a cloth and strain the solution into a clean container. You only want the liquid. All that solid garlic and cinnamon stays in the cloth. Set that liquid aside. That's the base of your spray. Now to your strained liquid, add 60 milliliters of white vinegar. Next, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Soybean, sunflower, any cooking oil works. And finally, 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Any brand. Mix everything well. That's it. 2 steps, 6 ingredients, and you now have a professional strength organic insecticide ready to go. Pour it into a spray bottle. Apply it in the early morning or late afternoon. Never when the sun is at its strongest, or it can stress your plants. Spray the front of the leaves and make sure you get the back too. That's where mealybugs and whiteflies love to hide. If you already have pests, spray every day until they're gone. If you just want to prevent them, once a week is enough. And here's something I love about this spray. Aphids die instantly on contact. You'll actually see it happen. Give this a try. It works on every plant. Herbs, fruit trees, cabbage, passion fruit, you name it. And drop a comment below letting me know where in the world you're watching from. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a natural tip that saves you money. See you in the next one on just 1 tablespoon in water, and all plants explode with growth.